Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Pikachu. First, turn on your symmetry feature in Procreate. Let's start to make the rough sketch. Begin with 2 circles for the head and the jaw part. Then, continue with 4 ellipses. 2 for the hands, and 2 for the feet. Connect them to make the body. Don't forget to make the ears. Now, let's focus with the details on the face. Correct the shape of the head. Then, add the electricity circle on the cheek. Make the arc line for the mouth. 1 tiny triangle in the middle. 2 circles for the eyes. Turn off your symmetry feature. Then make the tails behind. And the rough sketch is finished. Let's continue to making the line art. Reduce the rough sketch layer opacity to 40%. Then, change the brush to any brush you like. I use hard brush with size 2 for this one. While making the line art, always remember to pay attention to the details. Correct the wrong proportion of the character. After that, hide or delete the rough sketch layer. Now the line art is done. Make sure to make the line art layer as reference. Then, create new layer under the line art layer. Let's fill in the base color of Pikachu. After that, make a new layer above the base color layer, and set it as clipping mask. So this layer will only be read the shape below it. Now, add the darker color to make the shadow of your character. Make sure that each color have different layer, so that you can revise the color if in the end you find it wrong. That's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next episode.